Welcome to the e-learning module of Anti-Money Laundering and Combating Terrorist Financing. In this module, you will learn what is money laundering, different sources of dirty money, and the various stages of money laundering. Now, let's see what is money laundering. Money laundering is the process whereby criminals attempt to hide and disguise the true origin and ownership of the proceeds of their criminal activities, thereby avoiding prosecution, conviction, and confiscation of the criminal funds. In simple words, it is a process through which dirty money is converted into clean money. Now that we know the definition of money laundering, it is important to know the sources of dirty money. In this category, we have drug trafficking, human trafficking, criminal offenses, gambling, smuggling, and many more. Other sources of dirty money are bribe, fraud, tax evasion, and kidnapping. Let's look at the three stages of money laundering. First stage is the placement stage, the second is layering, and the third is integration. Now, let's look at each of these stages in detail. Placement stage. Here, the cash generated from criminal activities is converted into monetary instruments such as money orders, traveler's checks, or even the cash is deposited into the accounts of the financial institutions and even banks. This is the very initial stage where the cash is getting placed into the legal financial system. Layering. The funds are transferred or moved into other accounts or other financial institutions to further separate the money from its criminal origin. Integration stage. The last stage is the integration stage, wherein the funds are reintroduced into the system or into the economy. These funds are then used to purchase legitimate assets or to fund other criminal activities which come under legitimate business. Ultimately, this is done to show that the money used to buy these assets is indeed from a legal source. Now, let's summarize the process of money laundering. You have the first stage of placement, where you can see the money is getting placed into various bank accounts or financial institutions. Then this money gets layered through wire transfers, bank deposits, offshore bank accounts, and even on trade basis. And from there, the next stage is into the integration stage, wherein the money is used to purchase luxury assets. It could also be for financial investment, commercial and industrial investment. So, this is a typical money laundering process.